Hello, in this video I will show you how I create my 3D animations for my YouTube channel. I use Blender for all my work. Many people think these are just game clips, but I actually animate everything from scratch. Right now, I am working on the character rigging. This is a very important step. I have to set up the bones and joints so the character move naturally. You can see the timeline and keyframes here. Every movement of the Minecraft characters is controlled by me manually. I spend many hours on each video to make it look professional. I don't use laser people's content. This is my creative workspace. I use the Cycles and Eevee render engines to get the best quality. I am a 3D animator and this is my original content. I hope this video proves that my channel follows all YouTube rules. Thank you for supporting my work and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next animation. Bye bye everyone.